Good morning or good afternoon, Martin staff. I hope everyone is staying safe during this time. I just want to quickly explain to you how our new Kid Talk spreadsheet will work in cooperation with online learning. We are all required to take attendance in some manner or another. For some of us, that could look like a Google form. For others, it might be the completion of a particular assignment or task through GoFormative or Google Docs. Uh, as the intervention team, we want to know which students are participating in online instruction, so we devised this spreadsheet to help us gather that data. The spreadsheet, as you can see on screen, is not the exact one that you will see, the only difference being the students listed. Sixth grade, you will see all sixth grade students, seventh grade students, and eighth grade students. And what you'll do is at the end of your class, whenever that is, for seventh grade science, our class starts at 9:25 a.m. on Monday, and we allow students to complete any assignments up until 8:30 a.m. On the Wednesday, the next Wednesday. So for us on Wednesday, we will go back to Monday and we will mark our attendance. We're going to mark out any students who did not participate in Monday's assignment. To do so, we're going to use the number 1. So if a student did not participate in a class or did not complete the assignment or did not check in, you will put a number 1 next to their name. And you'll just go down your list of students and mark off which ones did not complete particular assignments. You will notice that as I'm doing this, the total column changes, and I'll explain that just a little bit later. But I'm just going to go through and mark off only the students who did not complete the task or assignment or check-in. If they did, you leave it blank, which is nice. As each subject does this, it will calculate a total number of classes that the students missed. So let's use Cardi B as an example. We will say that she did not complete ELA or science on Monday. She did complete social studies, but not math. You will notice that each time her total column changed color. And so yellow is when they missed one class or did not participate in one class. Orange is when they did not participate in 2 classes, and red is when they did not participate in 3. This color coding will hopefully allow us as teachers to identify quickly who is not participating and who we might need to reach out to, whether because they still don't have access to internet or laptops, or they're just avoiding the assignments altogether. This is just another data point in the grand scheme of things. I'm hoping that it doesn't take you too terribly long to take this type of attendance. We wanted to make it as simple as possible. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. One final thing is once we are completed with the week April 13th through the 16th, we will just click on the tab at the bottom of the screen to week 2, and it will flip over, refresh the totals, and we have a brand new week with our list of students. So hopefully that helped you guys out explaining what this document is and how it helps us as a school and getting these kids to where they need to be. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much, and have a great rest of your day.